Hey guys, you ever see one of these things in the gym and you don't know what it does or what it's called? Called a landmine. This one, in most gyms, are going to be attached to the squat rack or rig. You also can see them if they're in a bumper and they have a post that goes in them, but there's always a tube, and that tube is usually open. So this is designed to do 360 degrees all the way to 180 degrees. So utilizing your barbell, it helps fix the barbell. So you get one in, unloaded, you slide it all the way in. From there, you can use weight or no weight, but you can do several different things with this, from deadlifting to squatting to pressing to rowing. There's a bunch of different things. Creativity really is the only limiting factor when it comes to landmine work. This works your core without having to think about it, as well as your legs if you have any range of motion deficits or anything like that. This is a really great tool that I like utilizing. If you don't have a landmine attachment, that's okay. Simply unload the barbell, have it unloaded, and either pushing the barbell into a corner or just keeping an eye on it. So you can still do the same movements you would if you had a fixed point. So that is a landmine. It's really fun to use. It helps mix up some of your workouts as well as help any injuries or anything recuperate. Let me know if you have any questions.